Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Are you actually visiting someone here?
No. I make a habit of spending time in waiting rooms. Hospitals are such nutrient-creative environments.
I'm sorry, what I actually meant by that question was that you've just been spending an unusual amount of time here.
It's a waiting room. It's meant to be occupied by people who are waiting. Waiting takes time.
Just how long have you been here?
You are not on duty.
I'm sorry, I'm supposed to report any suspicious activities to my supervisor.
I'm not being suspicious, am I?
You've been here for almost an entire day and you haven't even moved.
Well, there is good explanation for that.
Oh, there is.
Yes. I'm waiting. I'm an unemployed adventurer. How do you do?
Fine, thank you. Look, this is a small facility in a small town, and we don't get any new faces here. Are you new to Truths and Consequences?
Excuse me?
Truths and Consequences. You are standing in the General Hospital of Truths and Consequences, located in Truths and Consequences, New Mexico.
Oh, well, I have never been here before.
Then what are you doing here?
This and that, unemployed adventurer. I will always show in some small towns with unusual names.
Okay, what exactly is that?
Unemployed adventurer?
Yes.
Well, I spend my days as a girls' golf troop leader, where I try to inspire my girls to feel empowered by imitating strong women. Well, we embodies. I moonlight as a ghost hunter and archaeologist.
Well, gee.
Are you alright?
I'm not feeling well. It's my stomach. I have this disorder. It's characterized by an appetite for largely non-nutritive substances.
Like what?
Like pencils and light bulbs.
What? Do you want me to go get a doctor? Or?
No, that's okay, I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. It's under control, normally.
You're good? Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm an unemployed adventurer. How do you do?
Ornithologist. Well, at heart.
At heart?
I'm a bird enthusiast, and I have a degree, but the job market for bird enthusiasts isn't so great right now.
Oh yeah, I can see that. So, what do you do that's, not at the heart?
Well, I'm a sales representative for a pharmaceutical company.
Really?
Yeah, I'm on job now, actually.
At 4 in the morning.
Oh. Well, yeah, I really hate being late, and I'm preparing my pitch here.
Oh, let's hear it.
You want to hear it?
Yes.
Okay. Oh God, I can't do this. Oh no, oh God, I need it.
What's the matter?
I need it.
What are you doing? Stop!
No! Easy!
You can't eat it! You can't eat it!
aggressive, and they're known to attack, hawks even, and they drink and eat half of their body weight every day in sugar water in order to maintain all of the energy they need to flap their wings. And the throat coloring on hummingbirds, it's not caused by feather pigmentation, it's caused by iridescence. And this iridescence, it takes and it scatters and refracts the sunlight on microscopic scales. So that way you can see all of the changing colors. You see, it's about how you look at it. It's about what you see when you look at it. It's about when you look at it. It's different for each person. The colors change depending on who you are.
Fascinating.
I know.
Have you always want to do this? A security guard?
Well, it's short term for now. Temporary.
So, given an opportunity, what would the great night watchwoman of the General Hospital of Truth or Consequence, New Mexico, be doing, professionally speaking?
Well, I have this sister, my twin, actually. We're identical. One time, our father took us to this pawn shop, and there on the shelf was this beautiful fuchsia model of Optimus Optimum. The Transformer? Oh my god, it was so cool. It was like 12 inches tall, and you could fold it into this awesome spaceship, and it's basically just like every little girl's dream. I mean, am I right? But we wanted that thing so bad. Our father, though, told us that we had to work for it. And so after that, we spent every day for a whole month just taking these old VHS tapes and just manually rewinding them over and over again. You see, our dad, he was this huge movie buff, and he didn't want to wreck the VCR by rewinding them on the player all the time, so that's what we did for a whole month. Eventually, my sister earned enough money to go back to this pawn shop to get the toy. But when we went there, Optimus Optimum, the Transformer, was gone. So, I don't know, since then, we've always thought that it'd be cool to open a pawn shop or something, but here.
So, what does your sister do now?
Oh, she's a security guard too, at the Natural History Museum of Truths and Consequences. It's like a family business.
Why don't you work together?
Well, we did. She was here for a while, but she left. She said there was like too many ghosts or something.
Do you still have a position in the museum?
I don't know.
Why don't you check?
Too many ghosts.
My nephew was born today.
Oh, really? Yeah. Congratulations, you're a new aunt.
Thank you. He died today.
Oh.
I didn't mean to say it like that. I just want to get a congrats out of this first. Thank you for your company.
Oh, wait, I think you left your bag.
It's not my bag.
It's not mine.